Oh, dang, there's a whole bunch over here. Today, we're breaking down Google Fi, Google's own mobile service that's been quietly growing in the background for years. If you're wondering whether it's worth switching to, especially in 2025, stick around. We're going to deeply look into what Google Fi actually offers, how it works, and whether it's a good fit for you. Now, Google Fi is a mobile virtual network operator, or MVNO, that runs on top of major US carriers. Instead of owning cell towers, it uses infrastructure from guys like T-Mobile and US Cellular, and it switches between them dynamically to give you the best signal. It's available for both Android and iPhone, and works best with designed for Fi phones that can switch between networks and Wi-Fi seamlessly. There are 3 core plans: Flexible, Unlimited Plus, and Simply Unlimited. The Flexible plan charges you only for the data you use. Where's the Flexible one? I think it's the one that, oh, dang, there's a whole bunch over here. Look at that. All right. So the Flexible plan charges you only for the data you use. The Unlimited ones work just like any other carrier's flat rate plans, but with some interesting extras. Here's what Google Fi really sets itself apart. It's got automatic network switching. On supported devices, your phone will switch between available carriers and Wi-Fi to optimize signal quality. I think that's dope. It's got built-in VPN. You get a Google-powered VPN that protects your data on public Wi-Fi automatically. It's got spam blocking and data privacy. Fi includes spam call blocking, and because it's Google, you get better integration because, it's in their ecosystem. Free international roaming. With the Unlimited Plus and Flexible plans, you get free text and data in over 200 countries at no extra cost. Now that's a game changer. It's got hotspot tethering. All plans include hotspot support with no need for an extra add-on, and it's got eSIM support as well. You can activate Fi on so many devices without needing a physical SIM card handy if you're switching phones or traveling. The plans. So you've got the Flexible plan, starts with a base rate per line, then you pay per GB. Best for light users, for those who are, on Wi-Fi most of the time, and data is capped at a monthly max, after which it's free. You've got Simply Unlimited, flat monthly rate with unlimited data, talk and text, no international roaming, and best for people who stay in the US. And you've got Unlimited Plus, which adds international coverage, 100 GB. There's the Flexible right there. And you've got Unlimited Plus, which adds international coverage, 100 gigabytes of Google One storage, and data for tablets. Great for heavy users, travelers, and families. And you can mix and match across group plans, meaning one person on your plan can be flexible while the others are on unlimited. The pros: what makes Google Fi a strong option? Simplicity. Setup is easy, billing is clean, and the app gives you full control over your usage and devices. Transparency. You've got no weird fees, no contracts, no hidden terms. It's excellent for travel because of the roaming in 200 plus countries baked in. No SIM swapping, no extra charges. Family friendly. Group plans make it easy to manage usage, set limits, and save on per line costs. And it's got customer support. Fi's support is handled directly by Google in most cases. It's fast, competent. And the cons: it's not perfect though. Best on Fi certified phones. While it works on iPhones and other Androids, you miss out on network switching and seamless Wi-Fi calling. It's got data deprioritization. Like most MVNOs, your data may slow down during peak hours if the underlying carrier is congested, and limited physical presence. No retail stores or in-person help. Everything is online. It's got international calls. Texting and data are free abroad. Calling back to the US or locally in other countries may cost a little extra unless you're on Wi-Fi. Who's it for? I'd say if you travel internationally, even once or twice a year, Fi offers the smoothest and best roaming setup. If you're a light data user or live mostly on Wi-Fi, Flexible plan can save you real money. If you want a privacy-forward option with built-in VPN and spam protection, Fi's a great bet. But if you rely on peak hour speed, want retail stores, or have a non-Fi certified phone, it might not be the best fit. Well, that's Google Fi in 2025 for you. Powerful, underrated, surprisingly flexible. Let me know your experience with it, or drop any comments, or any questions in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.